My name is NG. I'm here again to share with you my another vlog. It's a food vlog. And then today we will do our version making taco, guys. So we just bought the taco cracker. Is it cracker to call this one? So whatever. And then the ingredients we will make the with chicken breast and the rest. So I show you guys. So very long time never eat this one, so we grading. So this is our dinner today, guys. Marinated with some spices, guys. We leave for about 1 hour, then we pan fry later. Tomatoes and red onion is small. This is our little salad, guys. And then I will add basil herbs. It's a fresh, guys. And then I show you guys, I go and pluck the fresh one. So this is my little garden, guys. I have a herbs. This one, the basil leaf. Wow, so nice the smell, guys. Wow, it's fresh. Ito, guys, I'm cutting my cherry tomatoes to make a salad. And the dressing, this one is simple, just a bit of salt, black pepper, and wow, so good the smells, guys. Yum. Small salad, guys. This is partner with our tacos today. Dressing this little salad, guys, is just a black pepper and lemon juice. That's all. And then just stir up, mixing together. Yum. So now, guys, we going to pan fry the chicken breast that we marinated, guys. So almost done, 1 hour. So lutuin na natin yan. Wow! The oil is hot oil, guys. But let's slow side. So it's time to check or flip up, guys. Let's see. Wow, nice. Lovely color, guys. Yeah, so nice the smell. Yum. So next step, guys, we need to slice now so that can go inside the taco shells or cone, whatever you call that one. Time to heat up the taco shell, guys. So I need to make hot first, so more crispy. And when you heat up in a oven, just turn on the oven about 180 degrees Celsius, about 5 minutes. If you want microwave, uh, in you heat up by 30 to 40 seconds in 1200 watts. So let's plate in a tray, guys. Yum. Let's eat now, guys. So I take a shell, then we fill up with wow, so crunchy chicken. I just make like this. Then with the tomato, the salad, and the basil, the onions. So let's see the taste. A bite. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Very crispy, guys. Mmm. Yummy. But the sour, the salad, flavorful, tasty. the chicken, the spiciness got there, the spices I put a while ago when I marinate this one, and the rest is really tender. Masarap. Delicious. So, hope guys, please give thumbs up. Masarap guys. Okay guys, until here my video. I end here, and we are having our dinner now. So, hope you like this video I share with you today. And please hit the like button and write comment down below, and please subscribe. And thank you so much for your support for this channel guys. And yeah, soon see you again. Okay, bye.